Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. So of course we are outside again. Not around here, boo boo. It's further down. Yeah, so we are outside again at the park by the Brooklyn Bridge. What? Oh yeah, my baby almost fell. Well, she did fall because she missed her step when she was backing up. But I'm glad she didn't hurt herself. She's okay. But we came out here, me and my sister Tori. As you see, we got some lunch in there, the stroller. We got the sprinklers. We chilling. It's a beautiful scenery.
Look, you gotta show you magic shit. Mama.
It is over there with the baby. What?
Let me show you magic trick. You see there's no water coming
Yep.
out, right?
Whoa. Wow. Which one? It felt so good. Yeah, so we're just chilling, enjoying a summer day. And yeah. I just kept it simple with what I have on.
Can I have a sandwich?
You want a sandwich? So I made some sandwiches. You see I cut them up in little square pieces for the kids to have easy access. I also did a sandwich for myself, for my sister. We got some donuts. What else do we have? Oh, we have some oranges, some Capri Sun, some water. Oh yeah. Change of clothes, all of that good stuff. Chips.
So why are you not getting it?
Absolutely. Back home. Listen, it was starting to really heat up out there. And yeah, we was ready to go. But Royalty was already ready to go because she was starting to get really, really hot. But she enjoyed herself. I would have shown a little bit more, but there were other children there at the park. More children came, like at camp and stuff. So, you know, like I said before, I want to respect other people's, you know, privacy and children and just be appropriate about filming when kids is around. But Royalty knocked the hell out. She came home, she took a shower. Look at her. But listen, my advice to you, get them kids outside early. The earlier, the better. We got up at 8. We were out the door by 9:30, maybe 10 o'clock. We found parking. We basically was in the park from like 11 to, I would say, maybe 1:30. Because remember, it starts to peak. The sun starts to really, really blaze. But yeah, and now we're home. Like I said before, when we went to the little island over on the west side, we're home before 5. So unless you plan on like going to a water park and kind of being outside all day, which is very different. But if you're gonna be like local, get them kids, them babies, get them outside early in the morning. Let them rip and run, have their fun, and then in the house. And everybody, now it's quiet time. And she was like, oh, I'm not going to sleep. I'm not going to sleep. I'm not tired. But then she was tired. So she laid down. And that's another thing. I also started implementing quiet time again. Because sometimes these kids are like doing so much. They need downtime where like nothing is going on. The most I'll do is put on a little like relaxing music on Pandora. But that's the most. There's no, watching TV. There's no tablet time, iPad time. There's none of that. It's quiet time. It means you relax and you do nothing. But be still because it's necessary. So, but tomorrow, I think I would like to bring her to the pool. I was going to go over to the pool by my mom's house. But I really don't feel like traveling too far in the heat because I'm going to be blazing. But, I don't know, I'm thinking, yeah, not too sure. But there's a pool not too far from my house. And I think we're going to go there and just like relax and stuff. Probably towards the evening time, I'm gonna head downstairs to wash like towels and stuff. And yeah, I'm not cooking today. That is out of here. I'm not cooking. I'm not cooking today. If I cook tomorrow, it'll be early. But yeah, other than that, I'm not cooking. And I do want to go to Walmart. I wanted to see if maybe I could do a Walmart run early Thursday morning. Listen, I have really been busy, like busy, and just not trying to stay busy, but just trying to definitely get out and get sun. Definitely allow Royalty, because she's not going to camp, so that means that she will be with her mama and her papa. And the reason she's not going to camp is because I feel like I have not found a camp that was suitable for Royalty where she would be influenced in a positive way, if that makes sense. And that is due to the counselors. Now, I don't know how it is in other states, but in New York City where I live, the counselors are young people, which is nothing wrong with that. But I don't think they realize their position and the influence that they have over these children. And they don't take their job seriously and purposeful. So they're doing things that they should not be doing while they're working, and listening to certain music and talking a certain way. And my daughter she's not like a sponge, she is a sponge. Like, and anything that seems hip and cool, she's like, oh yeah, like, you know what I mean? So I just, yeah. Royalty is too much. But yeah, so other than that, I'm gonna order Chinese food most likely. And this is the end of the vlog. It's not a long one, but just giving you some insight on what I have been getting into every day. I'm now getting back used to the mode of vlogging. I love this for me because now I feel like motivated to, oh, I gotta vlog. So yeah, but other than that, I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Make sure you comment. I do respond to my comments. Make sure you hype up this video. Make sure you tell a friend to follow the Sade Boo family. And come on to this side. It's better over here. And I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next vlog.
My